It's time for an update on the Godzilla project. My name's Andy, I am the Code Rebel, and I've been not doing many updates, and I'm sorry for that. Things are moving a little bit slow, but not for me. I've been busy with a lot of other things, and I've just knocked everything all over. What I've been up to recently, this case, we've taken it from the 3D model that I drew on the video, and we've 3D printed one with the better 3D printer now that I've upgraded and updated. It's got that really nice textured finish on top, and I printed it with fuzzy skin because I couldn't resist. So I'll do a video building this up and assembling it. I'll do a quick one. This is just a quick update to show you this case. It's a prototype case. I might do some more real world useful examples sized to fit a certain number of parts and do a big line of them. Now that I've got a 3D printer that works reliably and well, I might do a series of these for people to buy and build. And actually, this is pretty strong. This will take a good number of stamps. I don't know what my stamp number guarantee is. Let's take it outside and park the van on it and see how it holds the weight of the van. Let's see if it can do that. Maybe I might do that. I don't want to destroy it. I'll print another one and destroy it. We'll do something just to show the strength of these 3D printed parts and how adaptable they are. So I think I'm going to do a load of options with different holes, different sockets and plugs, and maybe we'll do them all for sale if you don't have a 3D printer, and you can choose between smooth and fuzzy skin. At the moment, they'll all have this texture on top, but yeah, let's develop a range of electronics and pedal cases for the guitar and see where we go from that. I might even do some different color options. Who knows? Let's see where we end up with. And let's crack on. But yeah, that's where I'm up to with this little case. It's kind of cool. I kind of really like that. There's the pedal just for size comparison. It's a little wider, not quite as tall. Maybe we'll do bigger variations of this, like a full size one. Put that down there. There's the full size pedal. So it is quite a bit smaller, you can see, and there's only space for the one pot on it. Maybe we do more pot or micro pot. The thing is with 3D printing is we can do as many options as we need, and this is why this 3D printer is great. My old one, I'll put a link to the end and why I've upgraded if you want to hear all about that. But I was using the Ender 3. It took a lot of effort to get it working right, and it was unreliable, and we just had problems. So I've upgraded to the Bambu, and the strength, the speed, and the quality is way better, a lot better. It's a different league. So yeah, that's it. That's my update for this week, and like, subscribe, follow the project along, see where we go. I'm going to get back on with it and do a lot more things. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you next time.